welcome back. So in this particular section, we're going to talk about layers, and in this drawing, we're going to still use our drawing as the reference point. So as you can see under the layers section, our current layer is 0. So to add more layers, we're going to go to the layers properties, and to add another layer, hover around this icon and click on it once. As you can see, another layer has just emerged. So the first thing after creating a layer is to rename your layer. Okay, so at this particular section, you're going to have a layer called dimensions. Hit enter, then our layer is created. So exit, we're going to highlight all our dimensions. Make sure you highlight all of them. Okay, so now all our dimensions are highlighted. So the next thing you're going to do, you're just going to hover around this drop down icon and you're going to select dimensions. So all our dimensions are in the dimensions layer. You're going to just put it as active. So what are the advantages of categorizing your items in their respective layers? So the first thing, you are able to change the layer color. So to change the color of the dimensions, we're going to just hover around here, then click on this color of layer, and maybe we can have maybe green. Hit enter. Now you can see all our dimensions are green because our layer color is green. The other thing, you can maybe opt to turn off your layer if you're working with a lot of things and you don't need some of the items to be visible but they're still on. You can just turn it off. This bulb icon you see over here, so you can just click on it. As you can see, right now our dimension layers is off, and what this helps you to do is, if you are working with a lot of drawings and you need some space, you need to work on some things, you can just turn the layer off, then you can turn it on when you're done working with your drawing. So now you can just turn it on, and you can see all our dimensions are back. That is how we use layer properties. And to activate layers, the shortcut key to layers is LA. Hit enter. It's going to direct you to the layer properties, and over here you can just add new layers. You can either freeze layers, you can delete the layer over here, and you can set a particular layer to be current. So yes, that is how we use the layer properties when it comes to AutoCAD. See you on the next section.